Hi, this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. So today we are going to discuss the working of 4-stroke diesel engine. In diesel engines, during suction stroke or intake, the inlet valve opens, exhaust valve remains closed. Now, as the inlet valve opens, the pressure inside the cylinder decreases and it becomes less than the atmospheric pressure. That's why the outside air rushes into the cylinder and the piston starts moving from TDC to BDC. During one complete movement of piston, the crank rotates its half revolution, or the crank completes half revolution. So in this way the suction occurs. Now the second stroke is compression stroke. In compression stroke, piston starts moving from BDC to TDC. Both inlet and exhaust valves remain closed and the air inside the engine cylinder is compressed. Now when the air is compressed, the volume gets decreased and temperature and pressure are increased. The pressure at the end of a stroke is up to 20 bar. Now as the piston reaches its highest point, the diesel is injected through the injector and it starts burning. Now the crank completes one revolution. So this is all about compression stroke. In this way compression is completed. Then the third stroke starts, which is expansion stroke. So when the diesel is injected and it starts burning, then the burnt gases force the piston to move from TDC to BDC. Now during this stroke also both the valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve remains closed. During expansion stroke, the volume is increased and pressure is decreased. Now up to the end of this expansion stroke, crank completes its 1.5 revolution. The last stroke is exhaust stroke. During exhaust stroke, the piston moves from BDC to TDC. As it starts moving from BDC to TDC, the inlet valve closes and exhaust valve opens. Since the exhaust valve is open, the pressure is decreased and volume remains constant and the burnt gases are forced to move out of the engine cylinder through the exhaust valve. And thus the gases are out of the cylinder and they get out through the exhaust valve and then silencer of the bike. So this is all about the working of 4-stroke diesel engine. Okay, thank you everyone.